persons from the different barangays.
Vice Mayor, Honorable Sir Leonidas I. Sabala, to the pillars of Mayoralty District, our school heads and principal, headed by our gorgeous district head, Ma'am Arlene Estepas. We acknowledge the arrival of our Honorable Mayor, Honorable Alexander Estepas. Good morning. And to the 2024 Brigada Kickoff. My name is Juanalyn Esina Pusong, and alongside my co-MC,
National A. Williams Jr.
we are thrilled to be your host for today's event. It's wonderful to see so many dedicated individuals today. Your presence is a testament to your
Remain standing for the singing of national anthem.
Morning, atong natahan. Yan na, magsisinuro ang akong brigada eskwela. Yan na adlaw. Yan ang akong pag-start. Una, mangarap kita takakaturan ng akong Honorable Mayor Alexander Supervisor Ma'am Arlene Salvador Tibas. Sukat man akong PNP Fire. Good morning, hi sir. So, kanan aton head teachers, nanhiya na, ma'am, good morning.
Allow me to share with you a quote of Martin Luther King Jr. And I quote, "But we're on the same boat now. My due respect to our generous and kind-hearted local chief executive, Honorable Alexander Salvador Tibas, our municipal vice mayor, Honorable Sir Leonidas Sabala, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I'll move on to Mayorga Central. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. And Rocky Elementary School. Okay, from San Roque, we have 18 participants. Now let's have Santa Cruz Elementary School. Seven. Talisay Elementary School. Next, we have from Onion Elementary School. Five. Okay, let's move on to Wilson Elementary School. Okay, the last but not the least, the expected most number of participants coming from the Mayorga National High School. Four.
Four.
From the video field. Okay, we have a total participants coming from the DepEd, 170 participants. We have 9, a total of 182 participants.
With what, as Helen Keller says, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. And that is what we call cooperation and teamwork. With my due respect, Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Marisa S. Magan, our kind-hearted local chief executive of Mayorga, Honorable Mayor Alexander Salvador Dimas, from the office of the Sangguniang Bayan, spearheaded by Honorable Vice Mayor Sergio I. Zabala and his Sangguniang Bayan members. To the very approachable Barangay Captain of San Roque, Honorable Camilo Alaban and his council, thank you, Cap, for accepting the challenge.
Thank you. Good morning. Nakapamahaw na. Maray pa. Diyan rin budget. Pare pa ko nila pamahaw. Anyway, let me acknowledge first ang aton mahusay nga district supervisor, Ma'am Arlene Lipas. Magayon iton nanay ni Hapon, ano man ito tsura iton kuhan, anak, mahusay kwapo ko dito, beautiful and talented, atong district supervisor, ang atong principal, Mayorga National High School, Dr. Alberto Salvano, sir, ang aton Chief of Police, Police Major Antonio Angkay Jr., naton Fire Marshal, Senior Fire Officer 4, Vindel Binet Tubilla, ang aton mga school heads, di ko nalatago sa usaon ha, kay maiiha kita, naton mga school heads, sugat man ang aton mga teachers, ang aton mga SPTA, aton kick-off ceremony kay aadi ang aton mga SPTA officers ug sugat man syempre aadi ang aton mga kapitanis. Haamon pag inatindiron hiton Brigada Eskwela, Titanang Barangay Liberty, Honorable Mentor Stas, ato gihapon mahusay ang kapitana Barangay Mabini, Honorable Beth Negro, kaupod niya konsihan, Committee Chairman JH. O siyempre, Atong kapitana, gihapon, sulod na natin mga maghusay ang kapitana. Kapitana, ng Barangay General Luna, Honorable Marilyn Lipas. O siyempre, kapitana gihapon, Hanson 145,000 lang akong kaya ihatag kaniyo. Ha? Pero may daliwat kita, 5 nga school nga tatagan ng desktop, pero santos ay naton ng kuha. Kaya walay stock, abong stock 4 lang nato nakuha. So, may nakita ko sana ipapahabol na lang. When I visit your school, dadaan mo po ito nga ito nga. Dini? Ano ba ito? Liberty Bonifacio. May napaka ako sa koronel ko ano yung ngaranan. Kakanto. Surprise ito kung may posta. Uli. Bisan ang team ko, napadala ng Mayor's Office, napadala ng tao nga itong mga eskwelahan to participate and clean up drive o ano pa man ito nila kung may dagang mintura.
So we'd like to request our District Supervisor, Ma'am Arlene Estipas Bujoy, Honorable Mayor, for the distribution of cash assistance for the Brigada Eskwela for the 14 elementary schools and 1 high school. So first, from Mayorga National High School, we would like to call on Dr. Alberto C. Salvano, a secondary school